think this kid's retarded. This kid showed up out of nowhere with a baseball bat. Like, afraid for this kid. Like, I don't know if he's, like, mentally stable. Like, who's watching this kid? Why is he hitting my driveway with a baseball bat? But on the other hand, he's clearing my driveway of ice. Do I stop him? Who are you? Crazy bat boy? Who sent you? No, bat boy. Don't stop, bat boy. Bat boy walks the slowest pace any boy's ever walked. Like, what mission are you on? The kid just ran and dropped his bat. Come back, bad boy. Bad boy. Bad boy. Bad boy. Bad boy. My wishes have been answered. Oh, he's got another bat. Oh, he left the bat. Yo, I'm pretty sure that ice comes from that person's French drain that isn't blocked. So that kid just ate, like, shit water. And he just left the bat. Like, the bat means nothing to Bat Boy. The kid's just tapping the ground. Seriously, the blizzard hasn't even started. And the story of Bat Boy might be the story of Blizzard 2016. Bat Boy update. The snow has really settled. I went downstairs to make pizza, and the bat was gone.